Hello everybody and welcome back to my all-in-one $25 business tutorial. If you would, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time when I make a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Ebe Wazir, aka Ebe the Affiliate, and I became an affiliate marketer January 1st of 2022. I have no prior experience of making money online before then whatsoever. And so I'm pretty much somebody like you. I work a full-time job. I have a job at the post office. So once I get off of work there, I come home and I like to supplement my income and make more money. And I've gotten myself out of debt. I'm not completely out of debt, but my debt is almost done. And so I just want to show you all exactly what I'm doing to make money online. It only takes a couple hours a day. And believe it or not, I'm going to try to replace my post office job with this online job. So hopefully in a couple of years, I will have this down to a T. But I want to go over a couple of programs that I'm promoting at the moment. And this one right here is the last one I joined July 29th of this year. And I'm already close to $300 worth of monthly residual income. And if you watch these videos, I'll go up. This first one's a webinar, so it's the top leaders of the company, and they go over all the opportunities that you have with this. So I highly recommend watching the webinar because it's so in-depth. It's 56 minutes long, as you can see. I mean, there's a lot of information in there. And I kind of go over my own little review of what I think about the company. And then over here, I go over the compensation plan, because the compensation plan is nothing like I've ever seen before. Because all these other programs that I promote, it's all about me. I'm the one that has to go out there, get the sales and get the commissions all by myself. With Savings Highway Global, it's not all about me, but we're a team. So I could make a sale and I could put a person underneath you, and then that next month, that person's monthly residual income, some of that will go to you. So that's the cool part of that, is we have a team and we're building a team, and the people that are on my team are the top sellers of the company. So I'm waking up to emails every night of people on my team. So it's really cool. The compensation plan is ridiculous. Go check that out. And the program I'm promoting right now that I'm talking about is the all-in-one $25 business. It is something like ClickFunnels, if you're familiar with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is $97 a month, and they limit you to 20 funnels. That's all you can do for $97 a month. You can only make 20 funnels. But with this program, for $25, you can make unlimited funnels. So, and everybody knows ClickFunnels, the most powerful marketing tool there is out there. So this company is trying to compete with them, and they're doing a really good job of it. So I would highly recommend you check that out. Actually, these first two videos, let me circle these first two. If you watch these first two videos, I know I'm remaking these right now, but these first two videos are more in depth. They show like more in depth of what the training they have on the inside of this than I do in this series that I'm doing right now. I just kind of breezed through it in the first video, but these first two videos on this playlist will show you more in depth how they got their training structured and all the stuff that they will be training you on. So I would highly recommend watching those two videos for sure. And the program I got started with was a high ticket affiliate marketing series. This is the one I made the most money off of so far. And it does cost a lot to get started with the high ticket. And in order to make the commissions for the high ticket products, you have to own those products. So I will say that the training that I got to promote this is they actually sell it in the back office to this program, and it's worth over $500. So what I'm doing on this YouTube channel for you all for free, somebody is selling it for $500. So think about that. And I'm showing you exactly what I'm taught, how to get people to click on your links and stuff like that. So it's step by step, pretty simple. So you can check that out. And both of these programs, the all-in-one $25 business and my high ticket, I am in the back office in their training sections because I've been interviewed because of the success that I had as a beginner coming in and just making sales with no prior experience whatsoever. And so they interviewed me in both of these companies. And you can see that in the back office once you join and sign up. And the last one I promote ClickBank products using a service called MLGS. And ClickBank is free, so I do that for the people that can't afford some of these other programs. So I'll show you how to promote ClickBank products using MLGS and how I make money doing that. So those are the playlists I have so far that you can check out. And right now I'm going to continue with the all-in-one $25 business. So right now we are on day 4. So right now we should have a domain created. We should have our domain connected to our funnel builder. We should have a business email created. Now what we need to do is we need to go get an autoresponder. This is what we're going to use to follow up with our leads and send them emails. So I'm gonna go ahead, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna click here to get redirected to get response. So just click on that link, or you can click on the link in the video description down below, and it will redirect you to get response. And once you're here, it will look just like this. And you're going to click on this button that says sign up for free. You'll put in your email address and click on sign up for free. Now, what I do want to say, I even put it in italics right here, is they have this thing called an autoresponder. Now, what that is when people enter their information on your landing page, if you want them to automatically be sent emails, like that's why it's called an automated system, because most of the things that we do online, we can automate it. So if you want an autoresponder to automate some of these emails, which we'll get into later, but the autoresponder will take a lot of time off of your hands. So you could set it up to send them 100 emails for 100 days if you want to. So you won't even have to send out emails for 100 days. You'll have to type them in. You'll have to take the time to set it up. But once it's set up, you can set it up for how long you want. I always set mine up for 5 days. So whenever people sign up, they're automatically going to get 5 follow-up emails from me, if that makes sense. That's what an autoresponder is. It's automatically going to send them the emails. And I'm going to go through how to set that up later, but that's what an autoresponder is. If you want that feature, it will be $19.90 per month. $19.99 per month. I said something else. $19.99 per month. If you don't want that and you just want it to be free, then you're going to have to send out the emails every single day manually. There's nothing wrong with that either. So it's just up to you. If you want to save time and use the autoresponder and let the autoresponder send the emails out automatically for you, then you have to get the $19.99 plan. So I just wanted to go over that. So I use the autoresponder. It's so simple to use, and it's only $19.99 a month. It's not that much. So after you create you an account, we're going to log in right here. So we're going to click up here at the top where it says log in. Then you'll just fill out your information and log in. I've already been logged in, so it's already signed me in. So the next thing we're going to do, okay, we're just adding our email. We're just going to come over here at the top right. That's what they call the profile. I'll hover above it and it'll say profile. So whenever I say click on profile, this is what I mean. This little human looking symbol. So you'll click on that, and then you'll click on manage account. Now from here, you'll just click on email address or email addresses, and then you will find the email domain that you are using. So let's say I'm using this $25 for freedom. Actually, I'm getting ahead of myself. You're going to just click on add email. You're going to click on this blue button right here that says add email. Then you're just going to put your first and last name. Then you're going to put your email address that you just created. So for this one, it would be at support at $25 for freedom.com. So that's what I would type in. Then I would click on address or add address. And that is it. And then come back in the next video and I'll show you how to confirm your address so they know that it's actually your email address. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.